In this example, we're going to determine a quadratic function, and we're going to write it in vertex form, where the parabola, or the graph of this function, has a vertex at 12, 7, but one of the legs also passes through this ordered pair 4, negative 9. So if you'd like to go ahead and try this problem first on your own, go ahead and pause the video and do so, and then come on back and we'll work a solution together. Okay, so here we go. We have vertex form here, and we know that A, H, and K are going to be real number constants. And one other really nice thing about vertex form is that the values for H and K are actually the vertex for this parabola. So the H is my x coordinate, and the K is my y coordinate. Well, you'll see that we're given two ordered pairs. One of them actually is the vertex here. And so this 12 will be the x-coordinate and the 7 will be the y-coordinate. Okay, well that means that I have HK right here. So let's go ahead and plug in everything I have right now. So we don't have the a value yet. We're going to solve for that here in a moment. But we do know that it's x minus our h value of 12 squared and then plus our k value of 7. Okay, so in order to solve for this a, that's where this other ordered pair is going to come into play. We know that the 4 is the x-coordinate and the negative 9 is the y-coordinate. So let's go ahead and plug those things into our little function here. I know that this f of x can be replaced with a y, and in fact in our case our y is negative 9. So let's go ahead and do that. So negative 9 equals a times the x value, which is 4 from our ordered pair, minus 12 quantity squared plus 7. So now it just looks like I need to kind of simplify this out and solve for a. So let's subtract 7 from both sides, and that'll cancel from the right side. So it looks like negative 16 equals a times, let's see, 4 minus 12 will be negative 8. So negative 8 squared. But negative 8 squared, isn't that, let's see, 64? So let's go ahead and divide both sides by that 64. And it looks like my value for a will be negative 1/4. Or I can write a equals negative 1/4. And so I have all three values, a, h, and k. So let's finish this off by writing my function in vertex form. My a comes first. And then x minus, let's see, we had x minus 12 a while ago, quantity squared plus 7. So here is my quadratic function in vertex form. Given some information here, we knew the vertex was 12, 7. And one of the legs of the parabola, or the graph of this function, also passes through 4, negative 9. So here's this function down here in vertex form. Let's go ahead and end the video by showing you what the graph of this function looks like.